Alright guys, what we're doing today is I got some old wheelbarrows and we're going to make a wagon for my grandson and we're going to make it creepy. So we're going to make a creepy wheelbarrow wagon. I think it's going to be pretty cool. I got pictures of us all online, so I'm going to make a copy of that and I'm going to try my best anyway and go from there. So we're probably going to have two parts of this, but today I'm going to show you the basics of it. I have cut me two 34-inch pieces to start with and a 17-inch bar in the front and the back, and we're going to weld those up. Then we're going to weld the front on, and we'll add some more stuff in the back and stuff like that. So what I'm doing, guys, is I'm taking these clamps. These are some old clamps. They ain't no good without the things on them. I mean, you can still probably use them, but they just don't stay on as good. And these are old Huskies from Home Depot. Or yeah, Home Depot, 8-inch. These are 8-inch clamps. And what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to, we always save parts, is we're going to weld them on here for like a little step board. So we'll just kind of make something different out of this. So we're going to go ahead and weld this sucker up, and we'll weld the other side so you can see. I think that'd be cool. All right, there we go. There's a little, you're having a little gear shift to play with now. So, just go with it, guys. Figure out what if you got scrap and junk laying around, grab it and go. So I think at this point, we're gonna put a little bit of paint on these and the motor, so that's going to be pretty cool. And I don't want to mess with too much up there until that motor comes in, and I can also put the handle on it too. But I wanted to kind of show you just out of scrap stuff, guys, you got laying around the garage, or some, I mean, you'll probably have to buy a little bit of metal and stuff unless you got it laying around. You don't have to use 1.5 inches, you can use 1 inch, you can do whatever it is. But let's throw some paint on this bad boy, and we'll take it down off the table, and I'll give you a quick run around it. Of course, it's not done because I still got to do the tires, the rims, the motor. So I don't want to do too much until the motor comes in. Then I can figure out a little bit more from there. But right now, we're going to put some paint on it, and then we're going to show you. All right, let's take it down, and I'll give you an overall look on it. Like I said, we're waiting on the motor. Still got to put the handle on and the back on. But other than that, paint the tires. I think we're about good to go on that. So alright guys, there you go. There's the first part of our rat rod wheelbarrow build. We're gonna make it creepy, of course. We're waiting on the motor, which is gonna be pretty freaking cool. So when it gets in here, I'll finish the front end out. I still gotta finish the front out, or the back end out, and paint the wheels and do a little odds and ends to it. And surprise my grandson with it and see how he likes it. And oh, I gotta do the handle too. So this is just a wheelbarrow rat rod wagon. That's what it is. Anyway guys, as you can tell, 6'4" man doesn't fit in this wheelbarrow very good. Oh, we put a gear shifter up here for him. We just used a piece of 1/2-inch rod and a big old nut and stuck on there for the handle. And we'll probably put a little bit more doodads on there for a 4-year-old. Or if somebody wants to pull me around, I'm open to that too. So, all right guys, we appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And we'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. So you know if it's gonna hold my big buddy, it'll hold his. Keep it creepy.